In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a weekly planner using templates. If you want a clean, organized way to map out your week without starting from scratch, templates are the fastest route. We'll walk through the exact clicks so you can go from a blank screen to a ready-to-use weekly planner in moments. No design experience needed, and everything we do will stay simple and straightforward. First, click on Templates. This opens the library where pre-built layouts live. You'll usually find templates in the top navigation or the left sidebar, and it may open in a new panel or full page. Think of this space as a catalog. Everything is organized so you can quickly discover a layout that matches what you need without hunting through complicated menus. Next, go to the search area inside the templates section. In the search box, type weekly planner, spelled just like that. Using the exact phrase helps the system return the most relevant results. If suggestions appear as you type, that's normal. Let them guide you, but keep your focus on weekly planner. If you don't immediately see results, double check your spelling and make sure you're searching within the templates library, not the general site search. From the results, choose a weekly planner template you like. Take a moment to glance at the preview images and the short description. Look for a layout that shows all 7 days clearly, with enough space for tasks, appointments, or time blocks. Some templates are minimal and clean, others include color, icons, or sections for priorities. There's no right answer here. Pick the one that best matches how you think about your week. When you've decided, click on Use Template. This tells the system which design you want to start from. You'll then see the option to click Create. Create is the action that makes a fresh copy for you, ready to work with. Think of Use Template as choosing the blueprint and Create as building your own version from that blueprint. It should only take a moment and you won't overwrite anything in the template library. Finally, wait for it to load. Loading time depends on your connection and the size of the template, so give it a few seconds. You may see a spinner or a brief placeholder while everything gets set up. Once the page finishes loading, your weekly planner is ready on screen. That's the entire process, from opening templates to searching, choosing, using the template, clicking Create, and waiting for the load to complete. You're all set to begin organizing your week.